Join me as I try to make the most insane avocado hash brown toast you've ever seen. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. If you're an avocado lover like me, you're going to freak out over this crazy delicious recipe I'm about to share with you. Imagine a crispy, golden brown hash brown topped with a velvety smooth, ripe avocado. It's a match made in heaven, folks. We've all been there, stuck in a rut when it comes to breakfast. We want something quick, healthy, and satisfying, but most of all, something that tastes amazing. I mean, who doesn't love a good breakfast? But let's be real, most days we're lucky if we can scrounge up a granola bar or a lukewarm cup of coffee. The struggle is real, guys. And don't even get me started on the weekends when we actually have time to cook, but our bodies are screaming for a break from the usual eggs Benedict or pancakes. That's when I turn to my trusty hash brown toast recipe, which, trust me, is a game changer. But, I know what you're thinking, hash browns are so boring. And to that, I say, not if you do it right, they're not. The key is to get the perfect balance of crunch and fluff. You want that crispy outside to give way to a fluffy, slightly sweet interior. And then, of course, there's the pièce de résistance, the avocado. So, let's get started. To make this breakfast masterpiece, you'll need a few simple ingredients, some ripe avocados, a couple of russet potatoes, an onion, some garlic, salt, pepper, olive oil, and a few eggs. Oh, and don't forget some freshly chopped herbs like parsley or chives for garnish. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's heating up, peel and dice your potatoes, making sure they're all roughly the same size so they cook evenly. Next, chop up that onion and mince the garlic. Yes, I know it's early in the morning, but trust me, it's worth it. In a large bowl, mix together those diced potatoes, chopped onion, minced garlic, salt, and pepper. Be gentle, you don't want to mash up those potatoes just yet. Once everything is well combined, use your hands to shape the mixture into small patties. You should end up with around 4 to 6 patties, depending on how large you like your hash browns. Now, heat up a non-stick skillet with some olive oil over medium heat. Add in your patties and cook for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side, or until they're golden brown and crispy. While those are cooking, slice up your avocados and set them aside. You want them to be ripe, but still firm enough to hold their shape. Once your hash browns are done, remove them from the skillet and place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Crack an egg over the top of each patty, making sure to get a little bit of that golden yolk action going on. Sprinkle with some chopped herbs and a pinch of salt, and you're ready to go. Look at that beauty. Doesn't it just make you want to dig in and take a big bite? The combination of crispy hash brown, creamy avocado, and runny egg is absolute perfection. So, there you have it, a quick, healthy, and ridiculously delicious breakfast recipe that's sure to become a staple in your household. And the best part, it's so easy to customize to your taste. Add some diced ham, a sprinkle of red pepper flakes, or a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. The possibilities are endless. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today, guys. If you're feeling inspired, leave a comment below with your favorite avocado recipe. And don't forget to check out my other cooking videos for more breakfast ideas and beyond.